Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So, in beautiful day, I would like to tell you about my life journey. So, my name is Yunita. I am from Charming class, and I am CTC student 171. So, in this photo, I don't have picture about my future, but I will be a lecturer or teacher. Of course, in line with my major is physical education. So my life start from this photo. When I grade 5th in elementary school, I have just went from Jakarta to Madura. So before I start study in elementary school in Madura, I start to join martial art club or pencak silat. So I always training every day, and I won runner up or number 2 place in national competition. And then because that, I can accept in favorite school in my city or senior high school in my city about sport. And then when I think 11 or 12th grade in a senior high school, I can get or won 3 place in province competition. And when I study in senior high school, I just slept every day in the class from senior high school and junior high school and senior high school. But my teacher wasn't angry to me because they knew I must to prepare, I must to jogging before I go to school. So every 5 a.m. I must jogging, as always every day, almost 10 years. And then after a class, I must to training again in afternoon, and in evening until 11 p.m. I must do training again every day until I study in university. But sometimes I thought I can do that like that. I cannot do that like that because I must to prepare my future. So I started to active in my class, and I got good score, and I got a scholarship to study in UNESA. And then when I study in university, learn I start to read a book in library every day. I read a journal, and then I join research competition in Malaysia, and I join student exchange in Philippines, and I can get iconic or icon faculty. And then after I graduate, I can achieve a scholarship again to professional degree for 1 year in UNESA. And then I started to share my story how to make thesis. And then I am a content creator, so I can get 100 million thousand for 1 year. So yeah, that's it for my life. Oh, okay. I will tell you for my conclusion or my tip. If you want to be like me, you just start for a little step, just a little step. Don't think too much for the future. Don't think too much. You will be a lecturer or teacher. You will be an astronaut. I think just think about the little step every day. Like when every day I always make a plan what I have to do in every day. I just to learn about present. I just learn about tenses past because I always got a fifth score. It's no problem for me, but I always evaluation me. Just start to little step every day. So and then when you want to get a scholarship, I will give you tips when you start or when you finish senior high school. If you want to get scholarship like me, you just started from your skill. You can accept it with your skill. Like me, I like sports, so I can accept it in my university because I won competition with sport. Or if you like draw, You can start to drawing, you can start to join competition, because in university they need someone like a smart someone or someone to achieve anything. Just started with your skill. I think just said for me, this is my life journey. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.